Alright, so we're back. I got a couple updates on the dirt bike. One being I'm kind of stupid, but kind of figured. Got another dirt bike. Bought another one, so exciting times. Last video did not really, I don't fucking know. But it's about colder than Wichita, Nebraska, bro. We're in the lifted Honda Civic. But last video, my battery died, and it's taking too long to charge, and it was just a couple too many White Claws, and it just should have been drinking those in the first place, but it went downhill fast. So, golly, it's cold. Man, I love how Honda Civics, they tell you when to shift, you know. Fuck, it's cold.
Getting mighty creative with that tripod you got there.
Yeah. Here's how we torque this head. Okay. This head's a little dirty in here. I'm not gonna clean it up. This is 20 foot-pounds. Now we're gonna bump it up to 20 seldom.
I think you're around 15.
That was 15, so now we're gonna bump it up to 20. And then 20 seldom, right?
Sure.
25. 20 seldom. And it'll be good to go. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good. Well, I should have charged that flashlight before I came here.
What charges it?
One of them new Android chargers.
A USB-C?
Yeah.
I've got one.
Go grab it. Do a quick pass. Oh.
Does it run while it's plugged in?
Yeah. Okay. Fun fact, I was not using the right socket size. Oh. Because I lost my 12. So that's cool. I don't know where it's at. Back with the standard size. I know the lighting's probably ass. But, you know. So are my videos. So that's okay. Alright, so we're all torqued to 20 seldom. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pray the good Lord above that the timing is the same way. 103. 102. Wow. Intake. Exhaust. What? So that's gotta be it. Alright, so I'm somewhat guessing a little bit. I don't freaking know. Cause I looked at a 2003 reference, and but look at this. It looks to be self-explanatory, but I don't know. I should definitely research a little bit more. But I'm going to be lubing these up, even though I'm only planning on starting it for like 0.0 seconds. I'm gonna lube them up. So I'll lube these bad boys. And you know, I know I'm probably doing way too much, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. Well, I'm really putting on too much. But that will do. We'll be okay. So there's an I and an E. Intake, exhaust. This is intake, that's exhaust. So I mean, it's gotta be pretty self-explanatory, right? I don't know, man. I'll shoot a little bit in there. Way too much. That, oh my god. That is way too much. Intake, exhaust. Bada bing, bada boom. I mean, it's not rocket science, right? I mean, oh baby.
You nail it?
No.
Hey, check this out. Doing a voiceover is pretty freaking nuts. But as you can see here, I'm finally getting time. Everything is going great. And then decided to put the flywheel nut back on, and that's when I found this. It's back. So this bolt is stripped. I gotta throw it on there a little bit, but I don't know about that one. A little bit of an update. It's next day. Last night I timed this thing 3 times. Shit was going awry. I took the stator cover off. I found this concerning piece of metal and metal shavings down there. So I'm gonna take this side off, clutch side, just kind of see what's going on. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So I'm just gonna check this side out, see what's up. Just do it, I guess. But before I took the top end off, everything was fine. So I don't know if it's me not knowing how to time it, not getting it right, or what. So, but dude said he replaced this clutch cover, so wouldn't hurt to take this side apart, kind of see, because you know. And wow, you might be asking yourself, these camera angles suck, don't they? Well, in the future, I plan on working on it. Cue the sad music, because what I find next is sad. Alright, so I'm going to be pulling the engine now. A lot of carnage going on over here. I think hindsight being 2020, I probably should have checked the clutch side.
It's in better shape already.
Now I can put this thing in timeout.
Put it in timeout.